In this video I'm going to show you about proximity and alignment. So you can see here I've already made lots of design decisions about my poster. I've got this kind of idea of this setup here with the diaper and the labels and so on. So I'm going to show you how I built that using the alignment tools in Drawing. Okay, so I'll grab this first box. And the first thing you'll notice here, the red lines are showing. We've got the red line right down the centre of the canvas, and that's where I want it to be, right in the centre. Now I'll grab my trash can, and you can see, look at this, that alignment tool is giving me the positioning exactly in the centre. Now to save myself some time later, I will shift click, I've got both items, and group them. Now what I want to do now is put my boxes for the labels in, so I'll just drop this across here, and again look, the red alignment tool is letting me position it in the centre of that yellow shape, and I'll do the same across here, and if I just align that one across, you'll probably see, hopefully in a moment, that's just about okay, and I'm quite happy with that positioning there. So what I'm going to do now is get the American word for rubbish or trash across here, and I'm going to line that in the centre. I've got a bit of an issue, it's gone in the front, so let's just order and send that backwards. Okay, and then I'll get my rubbish, look, get that on the edge again, so that alignment tool's helping me. Put my flag here, American flag here, and you can see the blue line are giving me the distances between the flag items on each side. And again, I've got to just bring that forward. So I'll just go arrange, order, and I'll go bring to front. Okay, so that's looking really tidy, so let's grab that. Okay, and group it all. So you see I shift clicked over it, and then, so I've got my title here, and that's not too happy with the positioning of that either. So let's just put this one in the middle. The red line going from top to bottom is the center. Okay, now the words, sometimes it's quite hard to align different items, so what you can do is you can go to the arrange tool and use align and center, and you can see that looks really good now. So let's just grab the other two, and I'm going to align that with the other one. Okay, and you can see there's a bit of an issue here, so I'll try and fix that in a moment. So it's not perfect, so what we can do again, and this is about alignment as well, so I've got my 3 items here, arrange, align, and center. There's a bit of an issue because I've made this one slightly differently to the others, but let's just move that across, and you can see actually with this one that those two are okay, but because I've made that one differently, it's not okay. Now, next thing we can do to really tidy this up is grab those items again, and we go to arrange and distribute. Now, horizontally means across the page, but we want down the page. So what I'm looking to get here is to get the items distributed equally down the page. So if I choose vertically, you can see the distances between them now are perfect, besides this slight issue where I've remade the icon. Okay, I'm just talking very quickly about proximity. The reason I have a trash can and the word trash and rubbish either side of it is about proximity. Those items are near together. So it's really important that we use the alignment tool to get things together, to get things neat and tidy, because our brains like order and tidiness, and then we think about proximity when we're designing the different elements. So there's a reason why I've got trash next to American flag, the proximity being we know that that's an American word, and rubbish next to the British or English word, and you can see the proximity means we can see the trash can and the words together, and it all starts to make sense.